Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Talks. My name is Adam.
And I'm Sarah. Today we are talking about something very important.
Yes, today's topic is how to speak English with confidence.
Many learners understand English, but they are afraid to speak
That's true. Why are people afraid?
because they are afraid of making mistakes.
Is making mistakes bad?
No, mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers?
Yes, even native speakers.
Part 1. Stop being afraid. So, what is the first step to speak with confidence?
The first step is simple. Stop being afraid.
How can someone stop being afraid?
By understanding one thing, nobody is perfect.
That's true.
When you speak English, your goal is communication, not perfection.
Part 2. Practice speaking every day. What is the second step?
Practice speaking every day.
How long?
Even 10 minutes a day is good.
What can we talk about?
Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your hobbies.
Can we speak alone?
Yes, speak in front of a mirror or record yourself.
Part 3. Use simple English. Some learners try to use difficult words.
That is a mistake. Use simple words.
Why?
Because simple English is clear, and clear English builds confidence.
So, simple is better than complicated.
Yes, always.
Part 4. Improve pronunciation. What about pronunciation?
Listen carefully to native speakers. Repeat after them.
Like shadowing.
Yes, listen and repeat immediately.
Does it help?
Yes, it improves your accent and confidence.
Part 5. Change your mindset. Is confidence only about practice?
No, it is also about mindset.
What do you mean?
Think positively. Say, I can improve. Say, I am learning.
Not, my English is bad.
Exactly.
Quick review. Let's review.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Practice every day. Use simple English. Improve pronunciation. Think positively.
That's powerful.
Yes, confidence grows step by step.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
What makes you afraid to speak English?
Write your answer in the comments.
And remember, your English does not need to be perfect.
It just needs to be spoken.
See you in the next episode.